What are small habits that can help you in your weight loss journey? Courageous Motivation 1.0. Molding your minds. I truly believe weight loss is a personal and different experience for each person. You need to account for your already established habits, both good and bad. Everyone has a different background and story behind why they are overweight or why they want to lose weight. But still, I think this is a valid question. I will answer from personal experience, as I have lost weight, changed my lifestyle, kept the weight off, and overcame bed. If you want more such type of articles, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Start your day with some sort of exercise. This will set the tone for the rest of the day and lead you to make healthier choices. Drink more water. If you think you drink enough now, drink more. Drink for 10 seconds straight, 10 times a day, and you will have drank around 100 ounces. Reorganize your fridge and pantry so that all the healthy options are at eye level and the treats are above or below eye level and you have to search for them. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. If you don't sleep enough, you will be groggy, which often leads to eating quick to make, order food as well as overeating. Take progress pictures. I don't care if you don't love them now. They will become something that makes you smile and feel proud. Change your attitude about food and exercise. Instead of "I can't eat a whole bag of candy," remind yourself that you feel better when you have a piece of fruit. Instead of "I have to work out," say "I get to and am grateful for the ability to work out." Set out your gym clothes, shoes, bag, etc. the night before. Swap one daily bad food habit each week. Instead of chips with your lunch, swap it for a piece of fruit. The next week, continue with the fruit and change your dessert to a smoothie or a bowl of Greek yogurt with berries and granola. Be kind, patient, and loving with yourself and your body at every stage of your journey. Hate will only motivate you for so long. Shop only after you've eaten. Then you won't be tempted to buy things you want just because you're hungry and getting cravings. Thanks for watching.